A Parent's Guide, Caring for Your Baby. During their first year. Becoming a parent is magical, but overwhelming. Your baby's first year is packed with milestones. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through newborn development and care, giving you confidence to help your little one grow, thrive, and flourish every month. In the first few months, babies need comforting routines. Focus on skin-to-skin contact for bonding, responsive feeding to meet their hunger signs, and proper diapering to keep them comfortable. Keep their surroundings calm and soothing. They're adjusting to life outside the womb. Pay close attention to their sleep. Newborns don't have set schedules, so embrace short naps and frequent wake-ups. Swaddling and gentle rocking can help them feel secure, improving sleep patterns. At this stage, your baby is learning to lift their head and recognize your voice. How exciting! Support their development with tummy time in short sessions while ensuring safety and comfort. This strengthens their neck and shoulder muscles. Encourage bonding moments like reading or singing to them. Babies thrive on familiar faces and voices. Maintain eye contact while talking to stimulate their emotional and cognitive growth. Your baby is now full of curiosity. Expect rolling, reaching, and maybe their first laugh. Introduce age-appropriate toys that promote hand-eye coordination, like rattles and soft stacking blocks. Around the 6-month mark, solid foods may enter the picture. Watch for readiness signs like sitting up or showing interest in your meals. Start with smooth single-ingredient purees to explore flavors. Get ready for mobility. Crawling may begin, and your baby might start sitting without support. Provide safe spaces for exploration to encourage movement. Baby-proofing your home becomes crucial now to ensure their safety as they grow more independent. This is also the stage for early speech-like sounds. Encourage their babbling by responding enthusiastically. Repetition builds communication skills, so narrating simple everyday activities can be incredibly helpful. Your little one is likely pulling themselves up and maybe even taking their first steps. Provide sturdy furniture or push toy support for their walking attempts. Cheer for their progress. It boosts confidence. Interactive play is vital now. Introduce problem-solving toys like sorting shapes or stacking cups to enhance their cognitive development. Teaching simple words like mama or ball helps expand their vocabulary. Checkups and vaccinations are essential to track their health. Keep up with your pediatric appointments and ask any questions you may have. It's all part of understanding your baby's unique needs. Remember to practice self-care. Parenting can be exhausting, and your well-being is just as important. Lean on your support system, and don't hesitate to take breaks when needed. Create a loving routine by combining care, play, and rest. Bath time can be a relaxing and joyful moment for you both, while bedtime rituals like stories or lullabies help signal sleep. Consistency helps your baby feel secure and loved. Your baby's first year is a beautiful adventure filled with challenges and triumphs. Watch, learn, and grow with them as they discover the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips.